We got you a common problem on the Ford Fusions. This is also a big deal on the Focuses, this mount back in the day. Like early 2000s. But these bushings like to crack all the way around there. When that happens, your motor wobbles all over the place. And it's just not good. So what'd you do to fix this one, Jamie?
All right, so first things first, I went ahead and started loosening up your 13 millimeter bolts here on your bracket. And then I did a little bit more research before I ended up loosening all this stuff. In order to get to that other bolt that's on the back side over here, there's not enough room. You can't get it from the underside. Just go ahead and take this whole bracket off here. 1, 2, 3 15 millimeter bolts. I want to have a deep well on that. The one more 13 right here behind your throttle cable. You're not really going to be able to get that out. I actually moved that just a little bit when I reattached it, so it will come out in the future. But in order to get it all off of there,
shift cable.
You gotta get your shift cable bracket undone here with these two 13 millimeter bolts. Pull that, it just moves it right out of the way for you. And you're able to put everything back together. Get this guy snugged up first on the back side, and then go ahead and put on your top bracket here and
two pieces, this piece and this piece.
Then go ahead and insert your long bolt there and get it all set, and then you can remove your jack after you're done.
And where'd your battery go? Had to take that out too.
Yeah, I had to get out of there so I could get in and do some work.
All right, then after this one's done, then we'll come around and do this side. You got your looks pretty self-explanatory. You got a couple bolts up here.
Oh yeah.
You know how it is. This one hides behind the coolant reservoir. You gotta take the coolant reservoir out of the way. You got a couple 10 mils holding that in, a couple hoses. Then your last mount is, that guy right there. You just got a couple of bolts holding it in. Then underneath the vehicle, you have a wishbone style. And this one's pretty self-explanatory. Got a bolt going in through there and there. Take your old one out, put your new one in. This one's vibrating all over the place down there.
You don't want to go ahead and take off your lower cover panel there.
Yep, this guy right there. And I showed in a previous video, we weren't even driving it. He was just shaking the wheel, just giving a little, and you could see this thing going. But now Mama's Fusion is going to be all fixed up, and
it's already better.
Won't have the Parkinson's no more. Yeah, do that again.
It's already better. Look at it.
In our old video, he was doing that, and the motor was going
all over the place.
So
it's a little better.
This one, the old one, was cracked all the way there and there. I posted a photo. And I think the two big issues here were the trans mounts. But you can buy these as a kit, all three mounts, because it's common enough. So we just bought the whole kit, changed all three at the same time.